tail. Hold on, that tree. Hold the tree. All right. Oh, 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 ah!
Welcome back to my channel. So today it is snowing a lot, as you can tell.
So it's been snowing all day yesterday and all day today, and it is not supposed to stop snowing until sometime tomorrow. So we are finally out here, gonna enjoy some fun. Let's go get a ruler and we're gonna try to measure this and see how much snow we got. We're gonna get right in the middle, go all the way down.
And
so we are at we're at about 6 inches.
Oh my god.
As of right now. But I don't know if you can tell, it is snowing so hard right now.
We should just keep that right there and see how far up it gets until we go inside.
All right. First we gotta go feed the rabbits. There's Manny. Here.
There's Morgan.
Here's Manny. Manny. Come here, Morgan.
She doesn't come out. So you just gotta put her... Just put it right there.
And she's gonna run away with it.
But yeah, 6 inches, that's a lot. We're supposed to get about 18 inches, I think. So I'm excited about that. That's gonna be so fun. Okay guys, look at my mom's car. Brush it off for her. There's a lot of snow. Look at this layer. Let's see, we're just gonna keep taking it off. Ready, watch this.
Okay, so we are going to try to make a huge slope to go down our hill here in our front yard. We've started to build it a little bit yesterday and it definitely needs some more snow. Yeah, we bought this new unicorn from Target the other day, and it's actually a lot bigger than what we thought it was going to be, but it's going to be a lot of fun.
How high do you want to make it? We have gotten it. Do you think that's good, Mom?
We just need to try to angle the slope a little bit, so I'm going to try to fill it in right here. All right, you want to be the first one to try it?
Already? Oh my gosh, Mom!
There you go, we just have to keep going down like that.
Okay.
Yesterday it was just like a little bit of snow, but now today these snowflakes are huge and we are supposed to get another 12 inches today. How did you make that look so easy? I think we got about the size that we're gonna do. There you go. Ow! That was a good one. Set, go! Oh! All right, so we've been out for about an hour and we are at about 6.5 inches. So about a half an inch it snowed in the last hour. Are you really gonna do it? Yeah. All right.
Whoa! Whoa! You see that bump?
Yes. Oh my gosh, it's so slippery. Oh, that bump hurt your butt. Braelyn's hair is frozen, literally frozen. Look at this. This is like, oh my gosh, it is so cold out here. Her hair is freezing. She didn't want to pull her hair up like I did. All right, we are back out for round 2. And as you can tell, it is still snowing so hard. You remember when we shoveled? Look at that. It is already so much snow.
Oh my gosh,
from when
look how smooth that looks.
And look at our hill. This is how much snow has been coming down while we took a little break to go in and eat lunch. It is crazy how much snow we are getting.
7 inches.
We are up to 7 inches now. Well, actually, no. I think we're up to 8 inches. Yeah, we're actually up to 8 inches. I don't know why that fell down there, but if you look on this side, yeah, there we go. I don't know why it was doing that there. We're up to 8 inches of snow. So cold out. All right, our path is already completely gone. Go ahead. Yeah, we're gonna have to make the path again, see? We're gonna have to pat it back down because we're getting so much snow. It's already ruined our path. There you go. Yes, 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 yes. That was a good one. 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 All right, let me try.
Oh yeah.
I just can't get over how much snow we are getting. It is coming down so hard. And it is so cold out. Don't you like that one better?
Yeah. Holy cow, I like
Goes
that.
so much faster. Yeah.
Boom! Woo! Fun?
That's so much fun. Right, you want to try to do it together this time?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Here I come. Ready? Here I come. See where we're at?
Wait, that's not good.
Straight down. Straight
10
down.
inches. 10 inches.
Yep, we are at 10 inches so far. Look at this. All right,
Look how tall
we are still going to continue all of our fun out here in the snow. All right, we decided to move to this really big hill in our development, and we're really hoping that it works. So we're going to try to pack it down and make a path and see how far we can go down on it. All right, we just finished building this huge, awesome snow tubing hill that we built here in our development, in a hill that's a little down from our house. And wait till you see this.
Let me go down for that. Ready?
All right, you guys ready? I'll bring you on with me. You guys ready? Set. Here we go. Woo! Woo! Watch out, watch out, watch out! Woo! Oh my gosh. So awesome. All right, Braelyn, here, you take this one down. Yes. I know. Here.
I'll move as soon as she comes down. Woo! You went slow. Woo! Okay.
That was so much fun. Yes.
Can I take them
The
down?
only bad part about it is they'll walk all the way back up.
Here, can
All right, go
I take
ahead.
them down?
Yeah, go ahead.
The walk is so bad. Three, 2, 1. Woo! 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 Oh my gosh.
You ready?
Yes.
Oh gosh, here she comes. Woo! 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 All right, the two of us are gonna go down together. How
Look,
about
we have matching hats.
we do?
Wait, this matches that.
Yeah, I had to go home and get a scarf because
I had to get new gloves and a new hat.
because the snow is still coming down so hard after we've been out for 3 hours and it's still so cold.
We stay out here for
All right.
5.
All right, I'll get on and you hold on to the tail. Okay? Like the tail?
Okay.
So hold on to me. Okay, here we go. Woo!
Sprayed in my eyes.
Woo!
Woo!
Oh my gosh!
Look how far down we are.
Here. That was so
How
fun.
far?
So fun. Yes.
Here, take it.
All right.
Do you want to do it again?
Oh my goodness. Look at my hair. Oh, this
You guys
isn't
should
about
see
fashion. It's about having fun, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh. Okay.
Mom.
These tubes are so
Mom.
good. If you guys are interested in getting one of these tubes, this is
Uncle Bob.
Uncle Bob's. We've had this thing for probably 12 years, and it
And
is
this one
been
is
going strong.
H2O.
And this one we just got from Target. It's
It is H2O whoosh.
No, H2O Go Snow. They're really good. All right. Woo!
Oh, that's pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna get over the bump. We're gonna get over the bump.
Woo!
How are we doing this? Oh my gosh, how far down we have gotten.
We've gotten so far down this hill. All right, you want to keep going? Let's go individual again. Let's see if we can get really fast now that it's so long. All right.
And you're just gonna hold
Braelyn's
on.
gonna face towards me. Hold on. Get your feet up here. Okay, ready? Hold my feet. Okay, ready? Here we go. Here we go.
I'm scared. Oh my god. This is awesome.
Oh, Braelyn, stop! Stop!
We're good. We're good.
I thought we were gonna hit that tree. Oh my gosh. Good thing you turned quick. All right, Braelyn's going backwards again. I'm going forwards.
I'm scared.
You'll be all right. I'll tell you if the tree's coming. Woo!
No, we're gonna go next to the tree, Mom.
Mom, no, we're not.
We are.
Woo! You're fine. Go.
No. I have your leg.
So close to the tree. So close that time. All right, we're gonna give you an idea of how deep this snow is.
That hurt.
Make a snow angel. Oh, it's perfect snow for a snow angel.
Oh my gosh, I tripped over something.
You all right?
Yeah.
So pretty down here. It's like winter wonderland. This is our beautiful view in our development that we get to enjoy every day of all the seasons, and it's always so pretty no matter what time of year it is. It's so peaceful down here. Isn't it so peaceful down here?
Yeah. What if it wasn't snowing?
In the summertime, Braelyn comes down here and goes tubing because the water is up higher, so she can water tube down this little stream. Braelyn, what are you doing? What are you doing? You got evidence on your face. Stop eating the snow.
Should I jump off?
Go.
Woo! That was lame.
Lame, so lame. Is it good? Ew, I don't know how you eat that snow. It's so
Try it.
gross. So gross.
Try it.
No.
It tastes good. Try it.
You look like, let me see your hair. Your hair. Oh my gosh, her hair is rock solid.
No, but as soon as I walk into the
Oh
house.
my gosh, it is. Let me see her.
No.
All right, you want to keep going down the hill?
You want
Or are
to?
you done for the day?
I don't care.
All right. Right. I have an idea. I think I'll lay on my stomach on the unicorn and then you jump on my back. Yeah. Kind of like what we were trying to do on our hill, but that didn't work because of the hill. Okay? All right. Okay, ready? Don't like jump though. Don't like break my back. Go. Are you on? Oh no, we're going down a different hill. Ah! Oh, I lost her. I lost her.
My face went straight into there.
All right, she's scared to try that again. Now we're just gonna sit on it together.
Okay.
Go.
Wait, no, we're going wrong.
We're down the wrong path. There we go. Oh jeez, we're going backwards. I don't like going backwards. Braelyn. We're going backwards. Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh no. Oh no, that tree. Oh, the tree. All right. Oh. Out of me, you little brat. I'm gonna hurt you. I'm so gonna hurt you. Oh my God. We landed under the tree. Oh my gosh. I do not like going backwards. Oh my gosh. She scared the crap out of me. I really thought there was a, oh my gosh, I really thought there was a snake. Oh my gosh. Look how big these snowflakes are. So big. They have just been coming down for hours and they're so pretty. Look at all of them coming down. And there's Doofus.
You want to go down again?
So pretty.
Was that fun?
Did you know that not one snowflake is the same? How's that even possible? Look at all these thousands and thousands of snowflakes falling and not one of them is the same.
You sure?
Yes.
What about there was one that was the same as another one?
It's not possible. All right, Braelyn's getting on the back this time. Oh, jeez. Okay.
Oh, you gotta lean forward.
All right, I will. Hold on.
Oh, I'm gonna fall backwards.
Okay, hold on. All right, you ready? Okay, let's go. Let's keep this going. Okay. You ready? Push feet up.
We're going on the wrong track. We're going on the wrong track. Stop,
Dang it, I can't. Just go. Just go. Woo! Whoa, that didn't work. Oh, yes, it is. We're still going. We're making a whole nother track. What the heck is going on? We're still going. We ended up on that same track. Woo! That's so weird. We ended up going.
I want to go as side as possible.
We're still going down. Oh my gosh. Okay, look. We still ended up in the same exact spot. Ah! Okay, let go. We still ended up in the same exact spot at the same exact tree. We went off the track. I don't know if you can see, but we went off the track and then came around and then came back onto the track. All right. Hop off, girlfriend. Are you going down that way?
No, you have to.
Oh.
Make it like that.
All right.
Okay.
Hold on.
Come on, I gotta get this stuff. Ready, Mark?
Hold on. I can't even sit down yet.
Ready, Mark? Get set, go.
Go.
I'm not going.
Woo! Bye-bye! Woo! Oh! I don't know why that was not working anymore.
I'm ready to go up.
All right. You ready to call it a day?
Yeah.
All right, guys.
I'm going to get really cold.
Okay. We've been out here for 4 hours playing in
Almost
this
5.
snow. Almost 5. It is 4:30. We came out at 12 o'clock. So 4.5 hours. We're about done.
Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed. on this video was out in the snow. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Keep a smile on your face. Peace. Here I come.
Go ahead. Oh, yes.